Yes, morning to you.
Today we are going to discuss about arrays. As Madam gave us that question to discuss about that. Hope you know about what we discussed last time. Then today, let's start with the arrays.
Yes.
According to the discussion we've been together while discussing arrays, let me start now. So, members, arrays. What is an array?
An array.
What is an array? Yes. So,
An array is the kind of data structure that can store a fixed size of sequential elements of the same kind.
Yes, an array is the kind of data structure that can store fixed size essential elements of the same kind.
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
So, an array similar to a variable.
Yeah.
To a variable. Because we know a variable is a collection of the data storage location.
Yeah.
Are we together?
Yes.
So, while declaring an array, all of us will know, according to the discussion we've been together, members, Olivia, you know, yeah? Yes. So, while declaring an array, we use double barrels. For example, here, look at members, look at here. For example, we use double barrels. For example, if you want to declare a number, you first write the word double barrels, then you write the sequence, you write these brackets. How do you call these brackets? Members, if you are remembering.
How is it? Sure.
What of these brackets? Are they angles? These ones.
Those are bases.
But these ones, what's it? What? Angle brackets.
Okay.
These are called braces, you know. For the case of these ones, they are called angle brackets. So, while using or declaring an array, we use these angle brackets instead of braces.
Yes.
Like this, declaring double barrels. For example, double barrels, none, one. Number 1 here. Don't forget to put these signs, what we call termination. Don't forget to terminate. Because when we forget to terminate, which means the output will not come out as you wish. So that is how we can say declaring or declaring an array. So here in arrays, the lowest element or the lowest number corresponds the first element.
Yes.
The lowest number corresponds to the first element. For example, here, let me give you an example. Here we have our numbers. Then it's all together, behind.
Yes.
We have our numbers here. For example, every number starts with 0.
Yes.
For example, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Do you see all these numbers? So we are going to choose the lowest number which can correspond to the first element. Here, our first number is 0, which means that it is the one which corresponds to the first element. Our first element is 0. So, that is it. I told you that when declaring an array, we use double barrels. Are we together?
Yes.
Even in an array, as I told you that it is the same as variable, it consists of a memory location. Nti wobanga okola program yo nga yo an array are storing, as we know, in variables. Are we together, members?
Yes.
So we are going to initialize or to do our program and plan it. How can we do an array outputs?
Yes.
Are we together, members?
Yes.
So let's start with accessing arrays. We call it, how can we access arrays? How can we access it?
Arrays.
Accessing array, an array. So, I can get one of you and run a program.
Yes.
Because all of us will discuss and all of us will know how we can run a program.
Okay.
By using an array. So someone can come and run a program, not so?
Yes.
She has said, she has requested me, I'm going to run a program that will output the average marks of what? Of 30
Students.
And this is how we are going to start.
30 students.
Yes. Then we are going to start with our structure, which is
Hash include
standard input
output dot h.
Yes. Then
Int
name, and you open our brackets and close them.
yes.
Then you are going to say int average and sum. You are going to declare them. You
Yes.
say int average
Int average, comma, sum
and sum.
is equal
Let's say sum is what?
is equal to 0. Then are we together?
It's not loud. Then you are going to say int.
Int, let's choose our value as I.
Let's choose our value as what?
I.
As I. And then it's what I'm going to do.
Int maxi.
Then it's what? I don't know. Int. I'm going to say int max. As we've been doing.
Yes.
You know. You want me to
Int maxi, open bracket 30. Cross, comma.
Yes. Then this is what we call declaring. Here we are declaring an array of a variable what? Array. Now we are going to find the what? The average of 30 students. The average marks of what? Of 30 students. Then we are going to say for I
equals 0.
equals 0.
Then kali akaba kalita batya
Less than
less than
or equal to what should be 29, I think. And then what else? Increment.
Increment.
Then bring in our increment. You say I
plus.
Not so.
Yes, so.
Then we close our what? Now here we are using a for loop, and we declare our variable I for sum. We say it equals to 0, and then the average marks should be less than 29. Then the increment. Then we say print f
bracket quotes.
We use one.
/n new line.
Backslash
/n, which means new line. Enter marks.
Enter max. Is it?
Yes. You, Maria, come on.
Yes, good girl. You're silent. Then close our brackets and then wait.
That way use scan if. Do we use
no,
scan?
Scan F to get it on for you to Mazoko. Check out print.
Okay,
get to that.
But then scanning.
Yes, scan F.
Excuse me, you've forgotten to terminate.
Don't you say terminations? Terminations are here.
Okay. Because our program may fail to run. Let's continue.
You run. Don't worry. So scan F and then
scan F.
What are you doing?
Quotes %D.
Quotations.
Yes, %D. Cross %D with the quotes. And the max.
Max. I put here max.
Max. Then you forgot now where before %D you put there a comma because it may fail to learn. Yeah, there max.
But I think it should be after quotes. Not should be after quotes here. Thank you.
Max.
That's it.
Then we open brackets, angle brackets. Don't you remember? Angle brackets. There after max.
For I. Okay.
Because we declared our I, which means we have to scan.
Putting this termination is here. And then you say I.
I. Have you terminated after I? Yes, terminate.
This program is wrong.
Then you cross the bracket with. Then here. No, don't terminate. Cross bracket. Eza gundi zino eza set. Then down tuba tugenda kukola ki? Okukola kye tuyita. Is it initialization?
Termination is here.
Then we do, is it initialization? Because we've finished to declare, then we're going to initialize.
No.
Then
what I've done here is storing what? The data. We are storing our data, which is max for what? For I. Okay? Then we are using %D because we are for what? For Annie. For Annie integer. Scan F. Then here, what we are going to do, we are going to close our place. And we need to open it. It's supposed to.
Remember, don't forget to close.
We close.
Maria, can you ask where you not?
Yeah, I can ask Dennis. Look at Dennis. Then we are going to use the for loop. We are going to say for what?
For loop.
For loop.
I
equals
0. Terminate.
Then we terminate, and then we say
I is less than
or equal
to 29 because this is what we declared. Then terminate. I plus. But you told me that increment.
Have to get it.
But you people, why are you so quiet? As if you were not present.
We are present.
Okay. Then you are going to find the sum.
Sum.
Yeah. Sum equals sum. Plus mark.
Plus what?
Max. Plus.
Max.
Then we open angle brackets.
This one.
Tuwekemka I kafe kake twadeclarinze.
Okay.
Members, have you seen the program? You do it on your phone, whether it can run. You did because for me.
Shall I see the output? Let's go together.
Yes. Together average very famous. Yes. You to put FV in small letter because it may fail to run when we use capital letters AVG.
It is case sensitive.
It is case sensitive.
Sensitive. Then we are going to say
Sum
average equals sum.
Backslash 30.
It's divide.
When divide, then we terminate.
Yes.
When I learn the program, the formulas, and I want to buy the number maninga backslash name, and I want to divide.
Then you are going to say
print open bracket
printf open brackets
open bracket backslash, then with quotes, backslash n average max is equal percentage d.
Yes.
Then cross quotes, comma.
Yes.
Cross quotes, comma. Ugambe average. Then you cross or terminating or crossing any bracket yasembayo.
Okay. Then I open. I cross our place.
Then return 0. Yeah, do you use turn 0 there?
I think it should work. If it doesn't, then we shall remove.
Okay.
Then we say here, from here down. After we've closed our place, then we say return 0. That's it. Okay?
Yes.
As we are running this program, it will bring the average of what? Of 30 students. And therefore, if it brings an error, you go and look for it. If there is an error, you check where we've gone wrong, and then you change so that it brings the average of our 30 students.
Okay, sir. Yes.
You try to run it.
Maria, run there.
Yeah,
Olivia, after running, you tell us.